Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Istmagame. In this video we're gonna learn how to earn money from Shutterstock Contributor Account. So it's been a month now since I have been signed up to Shutterstock, and I have earned $2.33 from Shutterstock by selling 8 photos from here. You can just see 8 of my photos have been downloaded and I have earned $2 and got approved for almost 96. And you can see here my image portfolio. I have 96 photos approved. So basically I will show you how to earn money from Shutterstock. So just follow me. Let me log out from my current account and let's sign up with a new account. I will show you from sign up process. So guys, this is a gaming channel. If you wanna have full videos regarding this kind of stuff, you can subscribe to the channel, which is on the screen, the icon screen. Okay guys, sign up process is very simple. You just need to enter your full name. Let me enter as Istmagame, my channel name, and we'll keep the thing as Istmagame only. You just need to enter your email ID. I will keep it my email ID, and let me go further, and we'll just create a password for this. This is like temporary account to show you like how it works. Later I will log into my account because I can't manage two accounts. Okay, we'll tick on here as I certify that I am 18-year-old. You should be 18-year-old to upload photos and videos over here. So basically I don't upload my I don't upload videos here. I just upload photos. Let's go to our Gmail account and let's see. Okay guys, once you verify that was your email ID, you can able to log into Shutterstock. So let me show you how to log in. We'll just need to enter your email ID and the password which you have kept, and click on I'm not a robot, and just press on sign in. And here you are on your dashboard, and to upload stuff you just click on upload images. So to demonstrate, I am showing you some demo which I have already like uploaded the stuff. So just to demonstrate, I am showing it. Let's wait. It gonna take time, not more than a second. So let me tell you one thing. To upload photos, to get approved or to get uploaded on Shutterstock, the minimum file size should be like almost 4 MB. If it's less than 4 MB, you can't upload the photo to the Shutterstock. So let's press on next. Okay, see here in submit we have one photo which we just uploaded. We'll click here and we'll do the thing. This is an illustrative photo, so I will select this as illustration, and we'll keep the description, the description which describe the photo, and we'll select the category. Guys, we need to select both the categories. For example, this is an signage and symbol. We'll keep this thing as abstract, and we'll just start entering our keywords. So here are the suggestion keywords which you can take it. So minimum keyword should be 7 keywords and maximum is 50 keywords. So my recommendation is to enter 50 keywords which relates to this image, and after entering all this stuff, press on submit. So guys, once you press on submit, this will come here in pending. So it will take almost like half an hour, or for first time it takes half an hour. Later, after getting approved, almost like it takes 2 minutes for other images to get approved. And later, once you are approved, you can see the status over here. So the status you can see here, approved, and if it's an rejected, you can select this from your filters. Here, rejection, similar content. You'll get the reason, what is the reason the image is rejected, and you can just alter this stuff and you can resubmit it with the same process which I showed you right now. So guys, you just start uploading stuff over here, and for almost a month Once you build your portfolio, if you have photos for almost 400 to 500 photos in your portfolio, you'll be start earning good money over here, almost like 40 to 50 dollars, because I have already researched very well in this Shutterstock. Many people are earning very good money, but you should start uploading, because if you don't upload you won't earn anything. So this is it guys. If you have any doubts, you can just leave the comment. We'll try to respond you, and just don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. I have like, you can subscribe to this channel, as well as I have other channel which I have created very new, and which will be especially dedicated for stock photography and tips and tricks for kind of stuff. So subscribe to that channel as well. So saying that, peace, see you in the next video, take care.